Sherry. Thanks for taking this hotel room tour at the Yotel Washington DC. I'm not going to show my face because we took the red-eye flight and I look like a hot mess. But anyway, let me show you the room. All right, so when you enter, this is the entryway. Let's see, very nice and clean and simple. The bathroom is here to the right. We'll look at that a little bit later. And then this is what it looks like. So you saw from there, you can have different types of lights, which if you're into light therapy, that's awesome. And oh, really love it. Different from just your traditional hotel. I think that's their whole goal. There's even a light here under the rack there. Okay, place for your shoes or your luggage. Obviously a place for your luggage or to sit and put on your shoes. Some more open shelves there. And then here, this is what will control your bed going up and down. So right now the beds are sitting up. These are 2 queen beds, and then they will go out like that later. This is the so the nightstand in the middle, and more of the controls for the lights. Oh, and then you have here for the carry-out menu, and then a chair under there. Mirrors. So here you have this little space here to put your phone, your watch, maybe your keys or coins, whatever. And then here's your little reading lamp there. Let's see if I can, okay. And this is what the room looks like from this side. And look at that wall, very different, nice. I really like it, something different. Your lengthwise mirror, your TV, 2 chairs instead of 1 for a little dinette area. No desk, that would be your desk. Here's another lamp. And the same thing on this side with some space here also. Let's open up the shades. Okay, this is the front. That is New Jersey Avenue. The Hyatt is right across the street there. The Capitol is there to the left. And I'll show you some video I took from outside earlier this morning. Lots of cabs. We took the cab from the DCA Reagan National Airport. And then this is what it looks like from this side of the room. Okay, I like it. This is the floor and the carpet. And here by the desk, you have some outlets there and the backlighting, which you saw earlier in the entryway. You can change the lights and have it, you know, different colors or switch it up. And then for the bathroom, it is a sliding door. So you close that up and it's nice and streamlined like that. And you open this up for the sliding door to the bathroom. Behind this door is where, you can see here, this is where the safe is, some more shelves, iron, and the mini fridge. I wasn't sure if there's a mini fridge in here, so that's good to have that. Always like having a mini fridge. And then the ironing board. And the nice thing is that you just close this up and it looks really clean and streamlined. And it just goes flat like that so that you can open up the sliding door for the bathroom. Turn on the bathroom light, and that's what the overview of the bathroom is. Same nice streamlined style. Got the larger bottles here, nice sink. Let's see. Okay, everything in all in one place. Nice sliding here for the shower. You have all the shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and then the large drain there. And a decent shower head. And then from here, this is what the bathroom looks like. Let's see. Yep, and that's probably the hair dryer over here. Okay, it's kind of nice to have that space under the sink. Oh, look at the trash can, that's different. Have that space under the sink so it just feels like it's more open in the bathroom. Okay, and then just one last overview. When you walk into the room, this is what it looks like. Great, oh, I'm enjoying it. You definitely need to close the curtains later, the shades later, because I just saw people there going up and down the elevator. All right, that is our room. Yotel Washington DC here on New Jersey Avenue, right by the Capitol. My daughter's going to press the button. Let me see how the bed looks like. So this is nice. You can sit up in bed and read. Okay, there. Very nice. I like the purple. Oh, there you go. So for sleeping, it's all set up. When you step off the elevator, every floor has this coffee station. The first coffee. Okay, and then here you have the ice water machine. And I don't know what that means. Is it ice and water? Okay, here's the coffee stuff. Okay, there's the glasses for the water, the stuff for the coffee, got different types of sugar, plus the creamer, stirrers, napkins, and then these are the different types of coffees they have. All right, let's see. Cardinal blend, Waypoint blend, and then they have, and then a decaf, and then hot water. Yeah, it's fantastic, love it. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.